Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be unboxing Ipsy Plus. So I just got this in the mail today. I was so excited to see the pink box sitting in my mailbox. So I've been on the waiting list for about 3 months. All I had to do to get off the waiting list was just send them an email and say, hey, I really would like to get the subscription, and here it was. So not bad at all. So to let you guys know, this is $25 a month. It's a little different than the $10 a month bag that we normally get, but it's recommended to have at least, I think, 5 products inside of it. So I'm very excited to unbox this with you guys. So let's get in. So put it down. The box is a little flimsy, so I will say that, but it's just a box. So this month it says, hey Ipster, your March Glam Bag Plus is here to help you put your best face forward. And that's what the pamphlet looks like. And let's open it up and see what we got in here. I did buy some add-ons too, but I will show you guys what I bought at the end of the video. So the first thing I see is a eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty. So I only own one other Huda Beauty palette, so I'm very excited to have another one. And this is the Obsession palette in Smoky. There were 3 of these to pick from this month that they sent to you. So I ended up getting the Smoky, and it is retailed for $27. So let's open these up and see what they are. I like they're like travel size, so you could take these with you and just shove it in your purse if you wanted to. Oh, these are pretty colors though. You could definitely do a gorgeous eye look with that, and definitely a nice smoky eye look with this too. So love this. I'm very excited about that. So let's see what's next. Next is the Real Her Unadaptable Matte Liquid Lipstick, and it retails for $14. And this is what the box looks like that it came in. And let's open her up. Oh, she's a very pretty red. So that's really pretty. This is not my color. I don't like wearing red lipsticks. So I'm going to take this. I don't want to swatch it or anything. I'm just going to put it away for a future giveaway. So let's see. Next, I have the Benefit Cosmetics Sunbeam Golden Bronze Complexion Highlighter, and this values at $26. And it says it's a liquid sunshine in a bottle. So I bet this would be nice at like the pool or the beach, and just put it on your shoulders and on your chest, and you have a little bit of a highlight. So let's open it up, and it looks like this. And let's see. Oh, and it kind of reminds me of like foundation a little bit, but let's try it and see if any pigmentation comes out or any glowiness. You know what? I bet this would be really pretty under your foundation because it's not too blinding, and I love, you know, anything like this under my foundation to make me look more dewy. So like that. That is awesome. Let's see what next we got. Next I have the Purlisse Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. So last month I ended up buying, on the add-ons, I got a Purlisse face mask, and I loved it. I actually used it this morning, so that's cool that we get a moisturizer. And that's what the package looks like. Let's see. Gently smooth over face morning and night after cleansing. For extra nourishment, apply Blue Lotus Youth Serum, which I don't have any Youth Serum. I was seeing on here too that it also said that you can use this, I think, somewhere for a primer. Let me just look over it one more time. Apply morning and night for soft, soothe, and moisturized skin. This easy to go to, makes it easy to apply on the go for those really dry days. So, no, it doesn't say. I thought I read it somewhere, but it's not. But it's just, it'd be good for your fine lines and wrinkles, so that's awesome. I'm glad I got that. Next, I see this Spare brushes. This is a 5-piece eye perfection set. Oh, those are pretty. So, and the value of these are $50. So these are like small little brushes. These would be great for like detailed eye looks. Pull these suckers out. Got 4 out. And check them out. Oh, these are nice. They're very nice. They're very fluffy. Some really good detail work for your eyes. Some good brushes. So I am very excited to have these. I think I'm always complaining in my videos that my brushes are always dirty, so I'm very happy to have some new brushes. So that was it in this month's box. For $25, hey, I'm excited. I think it was definitely worth it. So let me show you guys what I added on. They have choices between $13 and $3. So I ended up getting 3 of the $13 because they have another Ofra highlighter. So I was very excited to see that. Let's see if I can get into the package. And I ended up getting Star Island. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, so in love. Let me see one of those brushes. I'm gonna use it to look at it. It's so pretty. I am in love with Ofra highlighters lately. See, let's just see. That's really blinding. That is so pretty. I don't really need any more highlighter on, but I'll take it as much as they want to give it to me. Oh, that is so pretty. So pretty. And let me swatch that on my skin for you, and it's right there. I don't know if you can see it, but oh, it's so pretty. So yay, I got another Ofra highlighter. And remember at the beginning of the video I was telling you there was 3 of these Huda eyeshadow palettes, and I ended up getting the smoky one from my box, but I ended up buying the other 2 that they had. So I ended up getting the Coral Obsession one. Let me see what this looks like. Oh, that is gorgeous. Look at those colors. Oh, that is so pretty. Yes, this is gorgeous. I love this yellow. That is so pretty. Let's see, let's swatch the yellow. See, it's definitely pigmented. I love these. These are gorgeous. And then I got the Mauve Obsession eyeshadow palette by Huda Beauty. Let's look at this one. Oh, yes. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous. I want to actually swatch a couple of these and see. Right now I'm just going to swatch the shimmer shades. They're a little chalky, but they are pretty. So you can never tell by a swatch if the product is good. You've got to get it on your eyes. But I'm excited to have 3 Huda Beauty palettes. So awesome. And for today, if you guys are wondering what I'm wearing on my eyes, I got the new Tarte palette, and this is the High Times and Good Vibes. I love this palette. Look, it's like it's full of water. Isn't it the coolest thing ever? Oh, I love it. And I think I paid $45 for the palette, if I'm not mistaken. And that's what it looks like. The colors, they're gorgeous. I wanted to swatch a couple of these glitter shades for you guys so you can see what they look like, because they are, look at that. That is gorgeous. Remember, these are glitter, so they're going to be a little chunky, but oh my goodness, look. Isn't that beautiful? So, and today I do have, my fingers are dirty, but I am wearing the Aquaholic, and then I have the Turtlet like right in the middle, and I also have on Beach Therapy, Dive In, and Galapagos. I think that's how you say it. But, oh, gorgeous palette. I could not wait. I saw this in my email. I'm like, uh-oh. It's calling my name. It's got beachy colors in it, and I am beyond ready for summer. So it's beautiful out right now. I am going to, when I get done with this and edit this, go sit outside the pool area and enjoy some sun. But I hope you guys have a wonderful and a magical day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell so you guys will be notified every single time that I upload a new video. Bye guys.